And you gotta love the way that he is competing. Yeah, yes, there has been a few no calls doon sa mga atake niya, pero diin lang ng diin. And this team really revolves around him. And the more that he engages the defense, the better it is for his teammates.
Meanwhile, a 3 by Justin Sanchez. What a start.
Yung mga guards ng Pinil, kinikage lang nila, kinukuha lang nila yung binibigay ng depensa. Medium range jumper, sabay didiin sila ng didiin sa depensa. Di baling mapagod sila dito.
Sanchez gives Benil a much-needed basket. Sanchez with a Pinoy step here in the finals.
Mahirap talagang stopin si Justin if he has that full head of steam.
Escamis. Short on that jumper. Sanchez with a board.
Tingnan natin kung si Ian Torres na may sagot dito as the main facilitator.
Oh, Sanchez with a blow-by.
Good move. Quick cross by Justin Sanchez. Quick 4-0 run.
Sanchez. Iwan ng bantay.
So nagiging kanya-kanya ang atake dito ngayon.
A 13-point lead for the Cardinals. Sanchez in the paint.
Trabaho niya kasi halos walang palitan. Buong laro, underrated, unsung hero for the Bambua Cardinals na si Andre Eglianes.
And did you think, Coach Hammer,